Hi, I'm Addie. In this video tutorial, we're going to step you through the differences between an interactive tile and an ebook, and how to navigate them. Ebooks, both PDFs and EPUBs, can be read offline after being initially downloaded, and are housed in your My Purchases cloud. In contrast, Publisher interactive tiles are located in your My Interactive Logins cloud. Both thumbnails can be accessed in the corresponding class clouds. Both ebooks and interactive tiles are accessed by clicking on the relevant thumbnail in your bookshelf. Selecting an ebook thumbnail will open the resource using ReadCloud's Reader, whereas clicking on a Publisher interactive tile fires up a browser while you're still inside the ReadCloud application. These tiles house publisher-owned online content that accompanies either a digital resource or a print textbook. Visually, the ebook thumbnail image is identical to the front cover of the physical textbook it corresponds to, whereas the thumbnail of an interactive tile has the publisher's interactive platform name or logo. When you open an interactive tile, a tab appears as part of an in-app browser containing the name of the interactive content. Opening another interactive tile opens another tab. Switch between them to quickly and seamlessly access your publisher digital interactive resources. You can also close the interactive resource by clicking on the cross on the tab. Selecting the larger cross icon will take you back to your bookshelf. Closing all tabs at the end of the browser session returns you back to your class cloud in your bookshelf. Once you've opened an interactive tile, you will notice a third tab, Interactive, at the bottom of your bookshelf. Select this tab to go back to your in-app browser view and all your open interactive resources. We've now covered what an interactive tile is and how to navigate them. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. ReadCloud, the e-reading software used by leading schools across Australia.